Pakistan has made its first shipment of dry red chilies to China as part of enhanced agricultural cooperation between the two countries under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. To mark the event, a grand ceremony was held on Tuesday in Pakistan's port city of Karachi in southern Sindh province, attended by officials, experts, and business people, among others, from both Pakistan and China.
I believe that we must invite and employ new technology, hybrid seeds, corporate farming, and benchmark agriculture practices with Chinese help and Chinese support. And this chili export is the first gateway to our agriculture exports, which is a landmark, and we are thankful to China for letting us have this access to the Chinese market.
We are not just working with farmers. We pay a lot of attention to train the people, to train those agricultural professionals. Through our efforts, we have trained over 1,500 Pakistani agricultural technicians, provide 6,000 temporary employment opportunities, and significantly boosting economic benefits for local farmers.
Pakistan is among the leading chili producing countries in the world, with the potential to become a major player in chili cultivation. Chinese technical teams are collaborating with local farmers, landowners, and universities to help Pakistan reach its full potential as a chili exporting country.